What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to discuss a common topic or a common issue we have been receiving for quite some time in the comment and feedback section, and that is how to download your website in Wix. Is it possible? Is it not possible? Do not worry because we've got you covered. But before we dive into all of it, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our latest content. We love the amazing community we have built here, and your comments and feedback are always appreciated. So keep those comments coming and let's keep this conversation going. All right? So before we can download the website on your Wix, you might want to go to the website or web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to any known type of browsers, be it Brave, Firefox, Safari, Edge. And once you are on Wix.com, sign up. It's fast, easy, and simple. And after you've successfully created your account, log in using your credentials. Once you've logged into your Wix interface, okay, so here's the magical and interesting part of today's video. Are you able to download your website through Wix? Well, basically, all you gotta do first is go to support.wix.com. We have an information here where it says Wix editor downloading a page from your site. It is not possible to download a Wix site or any of its pages as the editor needs to be in constant connection with our servers. As such, it is not possible to work offline or save its site pages to your computer. As a workaround, you can use the print screen option to take a screen capture of your site pages. Take note, guys, Wix does not support the exporting of files created using Wix to an external destination or host. So all Wix creations are hosted on Wix servers. The advantages of using Wix as your host includes improvements to your site's loading time, search engine and optimization, and more. So basically, you cannot download the information of your site to Wix because they are protecting it. They have a robust security features so that some hackers cannot go to the back end of the site because it'll prevent hijacking. You know nowadays there's a lot of wizards that can hijack a website, and Wix is not invulnerable, right? So with that being said, it says you can use the print screen right option here. So you might want to go. Right now I'm using the sniping tool. All right, you can use this sniping tool here. Just use that, and then there you go. You can use that, the sniping tool, or you can just go to paint and print screen the image that you wanted, and that's it. I believe that's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you find this informative and enjoyable, if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let us know if you like it. If you haven't already, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our future content. And we love hearing your feedbacks and suggestions. So if you have if you have topics that you would like us to cover, let us know. Thank you all for watching this video until the end, and I will see you in the next one.